Hey everyone!
Hello everyone.
Time for his and hers challenge. We're going to do it together though. We're doing 8x10 flip cups with 10 colors. On guard.
Touche.
Touche. So we're just going to go ahead and randomly pick our colors, but we both have to use the 10 colors. We tried this once already and he had a coughing fit, so we had to stop.
And start over.
Yeah, because he didn't know what the pause button was. So I'll tell you the colors in a minute here. So I've used black and I've used the Color Shift lime green and I used indigo. And now I'm going to use the Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green. I should put them over here, huh?
Yes.
So the ones that I've used. There you go. Okay.
But you already used that one.
I've already used that one, so put it here. He's gonna screw me all up, isn't he? This is the Blick Bright Aqua Green. Craft Smart Seamus Pearl. Ooh, I have that Hooker's Green. Or that green. Yeah, Hooker's Green. I need a little more white in there for that.
How am I going to know that you use these colors?
Hmm?
How am I going to know that you used all these colors?
Because I don't cheat.
Did I say I cheat?
No.
I'm just messy.
We know that. Everybody that watches our channel knows that. You didn't use all 10 yet, did you?
No.
Okay. You want to borrow my napkin so you don't get paint all over my bottles?
I have one. I have to clean the bottles anyways.
No, I just did it the other day, so let's try to keep them clean. It's OCD.
And that's spelled C-O-D.
No, CDO.
Okay. I think I'm missing one color. I think I'm missing this one.
We'll find out when you pour it on the canvas what color you're missing. You don't have enough paint, I don't think. So you may have to add black to your edges. We have some black paint over there. We can do our corners anyway. That's a lot of lime green. You're going to put something on top of it. You're going to have a big blob of lime green. Here, I'll take it. I'll use it up. I'll use it up. You can add more. What are you doot-to-dootin' over there? Megan does that. Doot-to-doot-doo. Megan, if you're watching, he's stealing it. Do you want to swirl your cup?
I do not want to swirl my cup.
Okay, I just want to move that blue down. Okay, so get our canvases ready.
Another almost happy accident.
Struggle. Alright, so I want some black for my corners. Did you want some black for your corners?
Sure, my corners don't want to be left out.
Oh.
So don't be overly generous with your corners.
There's enough there. Quit whining. Typical man. When they're sick. He's sick. That's why he's whining. corners are covered. I thought this would be better than watching two separate videos of the same thing again.
Yes, that way we can bicker together.
You're close. I can punch you now.
No violence. This is PG.
That's true. I don't swear on my channel.
And as usual, everybody's waiting for me.
Yeah, I don't want to wait too long because then I lose my cells, so I'm going to go ahead and flip this.
Aren't you going to poke it?
Don't need to poke it for a flip cup. Jeez, have you not learned anything?
Ooh. Wait till mine comes out. You're going to go, ah.
I am?
Yes.
Ooh. That lime green, the aqua flash, is that makes it look gold. I like this on yours right here. All right, tilt it.
Why does mine seem unlevel? Did I give you the wrong canvas?
See? You guys heard it. He's jinxing me. Sabotaging my challenge.
We are raining paint inside the porage.
Mm-hmm. So everybody that bought auction paintings, I hope you're receiving them. I did get a few emails today.
Still have a lot of paint on this one.
It's all right. Get it where you want it first, and then you can pour off what you don't like.
I like what I got, but...
You always like what you have. You're stretching your black out on this side, though. I'm good with mine right there. You got a lot of that hooker's green in there.
Yeah.
I got one little spot where it came in. We should have used the same colors at the same time to see if we get two paintings that kind of looked alike. Because all of our other ones have kind of looked alike.
Well, what are you saying? We can't sell these? Like, or
His and her.
marking them as his and hers?
No. Are you done? I need the torch.
Excuse me. Pardon me.
Watch it. Watch it, toots.
I got a putty print in mine.
Right there, it looks like Eddie's foot. Doesn't look like a kitty cat, looks like a dog. I think that's all I'm going to get. I did get some new ones in there.
No, can I set yours on fire? No.
Good luck with that.
I got some crazy cells going on there.
Hit that paw print spot up there and see if that blue comes up through. Can I try? Can I try? Can I burn your paint? I think we need a refill. I don't think you're getting enough flame.
And we pause for station identification.
Hey,
This is the Christina Welch Art channel.
hit that subscribe button while you're watching, if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you'll be notified when we upload our next video. And if you like it, click like, leave a comment. Check out all the links below for the Facebook page and shop with us on Amazon. And you don't have to buy just supplies on Amazon. You can shop through our link. I don't think you're going to get anything else through there. Looks cool. I'll show mine first so I can drip on yours. Cool, cool, cool.
Okay, now I can drip on yours. She doesn't trust me, guys.
I don't. Oh, I see skins on your side I want.
Okay.
You want to take these over the drying rack and I'm going to pull those skins. You can take yours first. Because your skins are the ones I'm looking at right now.
Clean the bottom edge. Drip on the floor.
You shouldn't be tilting it while you're cleaning your edge because then you're going to drip on the floor.
Move a little. Anyways, all by itself.
You drip all the time. Probably because you are a drip. So I'm just going to pick up some of his paint here. Make some skins.
Because I have beautiful skin.
I haven't seen underneath my canvas yet. And this is just photo paper. I use the shiny side, but I do not peel them off. We just cut them out with our puncher for jewelry.
Would you like me to take your painting, madame?
Yeah, don't drop it because I know you're going to do it on purpose.
Then we'll just have to film it over again.
Yeah, we already had to start over once because he didn't hit the pause button, he hit the stop button.
Yeah, rank amateurs. What can you say?
What'd you say?
Rank amateurs. That's who I am. I'm an amateur.
Okay.
Amateurs work their way up to professionalism.
Alright. I don't have to worry about them. Alright, so there I've got 4 nice skins there for jewelry.
That one's quasi-molded.
I don't know if that will be pretty. Let's see. We will check it out. It's kind of muddy. It's kind of fugly. Alright guys, so there you got it, his and her challenge at the same time today. We're dripping. Ooh! But we will, we'll show you those dried on Monday night if they're dry. And stay tuned for our 50,000 subscriber giveaway. That's coming up very soon. We will be posting a video on how to enter for that because we have some phenomenal prizes for that.
We'd just like to thank you all for watching. And don't forget to share. Sorry.
I already said that, honey. But if you, there's still time to get in on the sponsor giveaway on November 1st. Use the PayPal link below to make your donations. And for each donation you make, we enter you. It's one chance to enter into the drawing. So if you donate once a week or every few days, you know, a couple bucks here and there, we do get you in for the drawing on every single one of those. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Have yourselves a great day, night, or afternoon, wherever you are in the planet. And we will see you on the next one. Bye now.
Bye.